Hi, now I will tell you about this homemade cutting machine. This basic made of plywood. The hinges made from the hinge to the door. Once the angle grinder fell and broke its hand. The bracket is made of steel by welding. I bought this spring in an auto shop. I have made a comfortable handle with a switch. So I made reflector sparks and retainer for slicing details. I used the protective cover from the streamer. Now I want to test this cutting machine. First, I wear a protective mask. Okay. So I have a good cutting machine made from trash. That's all. Goodbye.